Hello one, hello all, welcome back to the channel, or if you're new here, hello, I'm Chris, and today bought a BA XR6 Falcon. I didn't film the last time when I bought this, but this car here, it's currently on the hoist with the box out, but I'll get to that. What's happened is bought this and then welded the diff in 1 or 2 days, and took it out to a drift meet locally here. Got a bit of wall tap damage on that side and a little bit of a scuff mark on that side as well, and she's got a locker diff in it now, welded it, so yeah, she spins both the same way for skids. Already got heaps and heaps of tyres. Had to pull the whole rear cradle out of this. I bought this on like the Wednesday and the event was on the Sunday, but I didn't start until Thursday, so yeah, that was pretty hectic. I didn't film any of it though, I should have, but oh well, you get that. But on that day we end up frying the clutch. Where's the clutch here? You can't really see, but it's a little bit worn, but what the main concern was, there was lots and lots of heat in there. I don't know if you can see or not. No, it's really bad lighting here, but yeah, it's just all cracked everywhere. All those markings are all tiny little cracks, and it was slipping like you wouldn't believe. So I went ahead and got a blue steel clutch kit, which got there. So yeah, I've gone and pulled it out and I've whacked it in there now, so got like new flywheel and everything. It's all shiny, all new, blue steel. The other thing I did, I made my own camber plates. I'll show you up in here. Let me just get this light here. Oh, how's that work? Oh no, hold up 1 second. Alright, so up in here you can see the camber plate up there. Try to get my camera up in there, but I've re-drilled it. You can see the hole there. I've sort of just moved it a bit, give it about 6 degrees negative camber. Just helps it even it out a bit. But yeah, right now just trying to put the clutch in, but I can't lift that up in there. I'm having a bit of trouble. You can see my sort of dodgy setup I got to try to tilt the motor back a bit, but mate's just going to get the gearbox jack, and I'm going to pull this section of exhaust out so the cross member won't be hitting on there and make it a bit easier. So yeah, today's Thursday and we started pulling this clutch out Thursday night about 4:35, and the time now is 8:44 p.m. and the drift event is in 1 day. Well, yeah, today's Thursday night. Sorry, I'm so tired. Today's Thursday night, then I got work all day tomorrow, and then I'm gonna go drive an hour and a half, 2 hours, and be at Benarabi on Saturday morning by like 6 or 7 in the morning, so it's gonna be pretty hectic. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to put this back together. So yeah, wish me luck. Alright, it's now like 11 o'clock at night and it's all done now. It's all back in, clutch is bled up, box is in, zip tied all this skirting back on. Well, Aiden did anyway, just tied it up. So I'm just gonna put it up in the air now and just try to I guess wash it down and then clean up the mess I got here. So yeah, I'll put it up and we'll gurney it all and clean it. Before I clean it all up, you can see it's all pretty filthy under here still, but yeah, box is in and everything. Yeah, we're pretty well ready to go. So I'm just going to get the gurney onto it now and just cleaned it all up because it hasn't been gurneyed in a long time or cleaned. And yeah, I've got to keep the truck happy. So, and also clean up my workshop floor, it's a bit messy too. So yeah, I'll just go ahead and do that. Alright, so yeah, got it all washed down. It's looking a whole of a lot more respectable now. So when I go to get checked, there's no oil leaks. It doesn't really actually have that many oil leaks, it's just never been washed in its life, I'd say. Just all the grime and yeah, it all come off really easy, but yeah, it just looks good now and easier for next time it finds leaks. So tomorrow we'll go up on the trailer and then we'll go down to BA Drift. So yeah, I guess I'll see you either at the drifts or when it's gone on the trailer. So stay tuned, we'll get right there. Fully back on the ground now, off the hoist. So I'll just have a look, see how it goes. Hop in. Start her up. Oh yep, we're moving. That's good. Change gears and everything. Clutch feels pretty springy. It's still got a bed in though, but yeah, we'll see. Anyway, I'm just gonna park this up and go home now. So I'll see you soon. Alright, so we're at the Gladstone Motorsport Complex, and yeah, I'm in the BA going out for a drift. Got the stickers. Clutch is good, I've already been out a few times, but yeah, it feels really good. Handbrake's still mint. Got the spring lead in there. So yeah, gonna go out and see how we go.
I hit my head. pussy. He's not scared to be. He's just like, hands fucked up. That's its own. Oh, look how much better it runs.
Just realised I forgot to do an outro for this video, so I'll just film it now. But yeah, that was the second drift event that we did on the BA, and the clutch, it went really well. Just needs a bit more lock and probably some springs and shocks, so I might do that in the next video, probably get a lock kit for it. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.